So not only is Reactiv great on large video walls, we actually have great desktop solutions. So for example, this is the hub, which not only tilts, it's ergonomically very comfortable, even for a standing desk, and I can ink and write and interact. So what I use this for is I have the ability now to take this content and show it here. So watch this. I'm going to take this content and I'm going to throw it, and it'll pop up over there. Now, what I can do as a teacher, I'm curating my desktop. I can ink, write, and do all of that. But let's just say I'm ready to show you the video. I can show you the video. Now I want to show you the PDF. I can show you the PDF. So what happens is the clutter of my desktop is hidden, and I only show the one piece of information that I want. And Reactiv can talk to 5 different monitors. Now at the same time, I can also mirror, grabbing that and throwing that. Now everything is mirrored. So not only can I mirror and ink and highlight and show everything, but I can also just extend it to one document and focus in on that. And all that works right off your laptop or a small nook right there. And again, Reactiv has full camera capabilities, so we can bring in things like this camera right here together with room cameras, and here's a 360-degree cube. What that does is it allows everybody in the room to have their own space. So we're zoomed in on a circular conference room table. Everybody has a full-size view of each other, together with a presenter view, together with telestration, inking, and content management.